Hello again. So in this lesson, we are going to learn how do you call clothes in Tunisian. So first thing, clothes are called dbesh or حوايج. حوايج. So dbesh means your clothes or حوايج. Okay? So trousers in Tunisian are called sirwal. Sirwal. Shoes are sabbat. Sabbat. Sandals are called shleka. Shleka. Socks are called klaset. Klaset. A shirt will be called suriya. Suriya. A t-shirt is called meriyul. Meriyul. A dress is called ruba. Ruba. Trainers are called sbedri. Sbedri. Shorts are called, in English it will be short with T for table, and in Derja, in Tunsi, it will be called short with T for Tango. A coat in Tunisia is called kaboot. Kaboot. A skirt is called jupe, like in French, jupe. A bag is called sac. Sac. Glasses are called مرآيات. مرآيات. A wallet is called stouch. Stouch. And the watch is called mungala. Mungala.